my channel. Today is kind of a fun day because I'm going to be unboxing a box from kind of a smaller company. It's called Magick and Macabre. It's an Etsy store, and they have like a mystery Wicca box, and then just some other handmade items. And this is the Wicked Witch subscription. And I've ordered from here before just one time. I believe it was the March 2018 box, and it was really cool. It had really great stuff in it, including this necklace, which is a little fairy door that I get compliments on all the time, and it's really one of my favorite pieces of jewelry. So this is a monthly subscription. I didn't do it monthly. I say this in everything, the commitment thing, but I just bought one box, and depending on how I feel and money and whatnot, I'll see if I'll get next month's box. But for 1 month it was $38, and that's really, it's a decent sized box. It comes in this really awesome Halloween paper, and let's see what's inside. There is a label on here that says fragile, so let's see what it is. Okay, so there you go. So this box is Samhain themed, and Samhain is essentially the witch's new year. It's a time marking the transition between the harvest season and winter, and it lasts from October 31st until November 1st. Ooh, that's kind of nice. So when you open it up, it kind of has your description of everything in here, plus some stuff with some little packing peanuts. Okay, so let's see. All right, we've got a card. Okay, so this is actually the business card for the company. Sit here. So enjoy your goodies. Please be sure to leave a review and share photos with us. Thank you for supporting small businesses. So that's very important. We really should support small businesses because people are just trying to make their dreams come true, and we should help them because we want our dreams to come true. So, all right. So the first thing I see is this little. He's so cute. He's a little skeleton notepad. Oh, he's a button. I don't think he's on here. Yeah, no, he's not in the list of things that are in here. He's just kind of a freebie. That's so cute. All right, and the box did say fragile, so maybe this is what it is. What is it? Oh, neat. Oh my gosh, I love it. Okay, so this is a raven. So let's see. The raven statue. The raven is a classic Gothic symbol and referenced often in witchcraft. From Edgar Allan Poe's The Raven to the shape-shifting Celtic goddess, the Morrigan, and even a powerful companion to the Norse Allfather Odin. They are beautifully macabre and an enchanting symbol of the metaphysical world. This statue is ready to watch over your altar or just add a little spooky ambiance to your home. Now that's really cool. So I actually have been working on my altar. It's a work in progress. I'm still figuring everything out. I'm really new to kind of the, pagan Wicca lifestyle, and I'm getting there. It's something I've been curious about for a while, so I figured, why not? Why not? So this will be a beautiful addition to my altar. Thank you. All right. So what else do we have in here? Ooh, so the next thing is a bar of soap. You see the little ghost? I remember in the last box I got, I think it was the Green Man box. It was, for spring. I believe there was a bar of soap in there also. So this is Haunted Mansion soap. Let's see. Exclusive to our shop, inspired by Haunted New Orleans. Oh my God. Okay, so that's really cool. So they do make the soap, which makes sense as to why it's in all the boxes. Well, the 2 boxes that I've gotten, and New Orleans theme. So I live in Louisiana, New Orleans is my favorite place in the world. So I'm feeling really happy right now. This soap bar is for spirit communication and ancestor honoring, complete with a ghost charm, each scented with sandalwood, vetiver, and musk. Oh, that smells good. That does kind of smell like, you know, there are a couple like Wicca shops in New Orleans, and kind of this is that general smell. I'm excited. I'm going to be using that all October. Ooh, this is cool. All right, so this is in this blue little bag. It is a skeleton necklace, a dainty necklace inspired by the season. This cute nickel and lead-free metal alloy skeleton charm hangs from a 20-inch sterling silver plated chain. Each one was blessed by our shop to ensure positive protective energy during Samhain. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This, okay, is too cute. And I'm probably going to wear it every day. Maybe until Christmas. I don't know. I love this. I love this so much. It's just so cute and a little bit weird. You know how I love little weird things. All right, so the next thing in here is New Age Smudges and Herbs. Juniper Smudge Stick. So we've got some smudge stick. Juniper is a protective herb warding off negative energy and negative spirits. It can be used in divination and love spells. It is sacred to many deities, including Apollo, Morrigan, and Hecate. Oh my gosh. I know it's Samhain and it's, you know, Halloween and everything, but this smells like Christmas. Okay. You know, I don't really tend to use smudge sticks, but I feel like I should get into the habit of it. So this is gathered from mountains. Okay, gathered from mountains, our smudges and herbs are known to purify places, objects, and peoples. Light our smudges or burn the herbs to purify any surroundings, or simply enjoy the wonderful scent of aroma. Nice. Okay, I'm gonna use that. All right. So we have a black onyx stone. So the black onyx worry stone. Onyx is a stone of determination and steadfastness. It keeps its user focused on their goals and realistically helps them reach them. As a dark crystal, it is also a protective stone that absorbs negative energy while it brings its user strength and stamina. It helps its user work through negative emotions and come to terms with how to handle them in a daily life, which is actually something I've been working on, is trying to figure out how to deal with anxiety and worry. So this could not have come at a better time. This is actually a product of Magick and Macabre. Oh my gosh. So this is great because it has like a little dip in it, and I'm just going to sit here and rub it with my thumb. I actually have a little stone that I picked up. I don't even know where I got it, but it was like the perfect little oval shape. This is very relaxing. I can see myself either sitting kind of, you know, meditating, thinking with this, or just, you know, keeping it in my purse for when anxiety really gets high. So that genuinely could not have come at a better time. All right, so the next thing I see is this, and it comes in this little bag. The little Happy Halloween sticker. This, so great. This is actually, so these boxes come with a spell. You know, something we can focus our energy with, and so this is the spell. So, a spell kit to welcome Samhain and set your intentions to the witch's new year. Each kit includes an orange and black chime candle, along with a book of shadow sheet created by our shop owner, B. And that's at the B Reckless, and that's BBEE. And she's really cool. She does all of this. She puts all of this together. I'm so neat. So we have a orange and black candle. Ooh. And this is the Witch's New Year Welcoming Samhain spell. Nice. That's great. It's a little spell. Cool. I'm going to have to do that. Does it say? Okay. So the best time to do this spell is near Samhain, as it is known as the Witch's New Year. And there's so many things I'm learning about. So I'm gonna do this. But there's so many things I'm learning about when just getting started. And, you know, I'm don't really know where to go with spells, so it's kind of nice to have kind of a guide, like, oh, this is, you know, what a spell you should perform around this time of year, which is really cool. You know, it's something to help. It's more of a very spiritual thing and a way for me to focus my energy and focus my thoughts and just generally put myself in a state of mind and mental clarity. So, and that's how I see it. Yeah, so that is everything in here. All right, so there we go. There's everything in this box. Oh, it all fell. But so that's $38, and you know, I think it's totally worth it. These are definitely things I'm gonna use and things that are really gonna help me put me in kind of that Halloween Samhain spirit. And you know, it's kind of been a little bit hard to find this year, so I'm very appreciative for things like this that will help me get there. So, Wicked Witch subscriptions, Magick and Macabre. So, she actually has a website, or you can go to the Etsy site, which is what I usually do. I'll put a link down in the description so you can check this really awesome small business out. I mean, I'm thrilled. I could not, I don't know what idea I had about things that would be in here, but I'm so pleased and will definitely be ordering again because everything's just packaged with care, and it's just little things that, like, I don't feel like I would find other places, or maybe I might find them other places, or I would never be able to put them together as the owner of this shop does. So I'm very, very excited. So that is everything. If you've enjoyed this video and want to kind of know about more of my journey with Wicca, or do you want to watch any more just interesting, weird videos, go ahead and subscribe. I'm going to have, I don't even know what side it's going to be on, but this little button with my little face on it, and it'd be really cool if you subscribed to my channel and give me a big thumbs up, and thank you for watching. I really appreciate it.